Hey guys, today we're going to be talking a bit about restaurant marketing, one of my biggest bugbears. It's when I go into a new restaurant for the first time and I start working with them and I look in the fridge and I see that all of the quality of the products is not very good. So like the ingredients are like medium to low quality, you've got lots of dried herbs, things like that. They're using sort of all of this ersatz discount food. Now, this is not a good way to go through business because the thing is you're paying a chef to make good quality food for customers and you want them to come back and you want them to be happy. So what you need to do is provide them with a good quality of service, and because food is your business, you should be providing a higher quality of food when it comes to customers. So I'm going to let my friend Giuseppe come on and explain what he uses in his food, so hopefully that will help.
I use the best tomato from Napoli. I use the best flour from Napoli, Caputo. Some people now they use that amazing flour made in UK. Doesn't matter. Yeah, if you want to sell something 25, 26, 27 pounds, you must use the right product. Right product. Caputo Blue, Caputo Pizzeria we use. 100% Italian tomato. San Marzano from Napoli. Fior di latte mozzarella. Fresh basil, fresh artichoke, fresh olives from Italy.
To conclude, basically, if you are producing a high quality product using high quality ingredients, you're going to get better reviews, you're going to get more traffic through your restaurant. A lot of people are going to really love your stuff, and this is the kind of quality that will get your stuff shared. Think about it like this: you're paying a chef who cooks these meals regularly. They have a lot of experience cooking them and making sure that the meals taste nice anyway. What you're doing is increasing the quality and grade of your restaurant, and it will allow you to set better prices, and it will get you to get it to the point where you will sell a lot more to people. Anyway, I hope this has been helpful, and from me, have a lovely day. Bye.